Learning with Maliha presents 12 health benefits of nature outdoors. Nature is beautiful. Spending time in nature or outdoor is associated with many physical and mental health benefits. Some of them are improved immune system function, lower blood pressure, reduced stress, anxiety, improved mood, reduced depression, improved cognition, short-term memory, concentration, creativity, enhanced recovery from surgery or illness. It increased energy levels. Opportunities for physical activity, which can reduce risk of obesity and diabetes. Improved sleep. Improved distance vision. Improved metabolism. Last but not the least is increased vitamin D levels. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Learning with Maliha for more informative videos.